goes by, my attitude was changed toward financial planning. I learned to differentiate what are my needs and wants. I have learned to set priorities in life, and my decision-making was improved. Dito sa program ito, natutunan ko din kung paano gumawa at mag-present ng business plan. Siyempre, talagang natutunan ng tulad ng
Background mo yung mga pagkain. Pero may akitaan na. Sige, big-video kandang ingay ko rin yung video dahil.